So you just came over to me and you looked me in the eye and you said, I can't believe how great my hair is growing.
I can't believe how great my hair is growing. And the amazing part is not one hair has come out that you placed in, and it only in a couple months it has grown. My hair receded before you did it back into this area. You know, a deep recession, and then I had lost hair in the back. Okay, so it was kind of bald in the back, and you took what was in the back and you moved it all around, and the treatments and the medication, I followed through with it, and it's amazing. I have more hair than when I was a young man.
and how long ago was the procedure performed for you?
It's only been about 2.5 months.
Only 2.5 months and you already have that kind of growth. And which of the medical things are you doing at home?
I do all of it.
You have the cap?
I have the cap.
You did PRP at the time of the procedure?
Yes, I have the drops. And
the 82M?
I put those on constantly, you know, in routine.
Okay.
In the morning and in the evening.
Okay.
When I go to bed. And then I'm faithful to the cap.
And where did we place the hair for you? Can you show everybody where it was placed?
Okay, where it was placed is you placed it from here.
Okay.
All the way up to
All the way
here.
up there. So that's all new hair for you?
All new hair for me. And then the back, look at the back, I had a big bald spot back here.
Okay.
And then that is gone.
So we didn't place, if we show the camera, we didn't place over here last time, but we placed back in the front. But we took the hair from back over here.
Yes.
Yes, and so that's already grown back in.
It's already grown back in. But see, there was little spots you also filled in for me in the back.
Okay.
When you did it, and then when I came back, because I had several, I came back, and each time you said, okay, we'll do a little more there, and a little more there, and a little more there. And yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Well,
you are an artist, sir.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You look
You're
great.
an artist.
All right, the ladies have to look out for you.